Hello friends, in this video I would like to explain how to buy and sell equity in angel broking app. So if you would like to open account with angel broking, in the description of this video I provided link. If you press on this one, it will take you directly to angel broking account opening site. There you can give your basic details and you can open the account within 10 to 15 minutes like name, mobile number, city, and press this take me ahead. And this account opening is completely free and first year AMC is free. Now I am pressing on the angel broking app to show you how to buy and sell equities. To buy an equity, first you have to add that equity to your watch list. I am selecting here ITC. Now this ITC is adding to the watch list. You can see here. Now you just press on it. Now you will get a quick buy. Here you can see buy sell. So now if you press on this one, you will get a quick buy option. Quick buy option is, you can see here, this is a quick buy option. Here you can see here is the option to enter the quantity. Here you can select delivery or intraday type, and here you can select limit price, and here you can see the current market price, and here you can see detailed order and quick buy. If you press on quick buy, order will be executed quickly, and if you go to this detailed order, it will open to the equity buy and sell page. So the same way, here you can enter the quantity. Here you can select limit or market order, and here you can get day or IOC order, and here you will get an option to select between delivery and intraday. I will give some value and show you. Here I am giving a quantity as 10. Here is, you can see delivery, intraday, margin. Delivery means the order with, if you are buying an equity with delivery, it will deliver to our DP account and we can hold as long as we want. If it is in buying in intraday, order will be square off by the end of the market hour. So if you are buying in today's morning, by the end of the day about 3:15, order will be converted to sell. So it will be square off. And in margin, we can buy the order with the margin amount. And here you can select limit or market. If you are selecting market, order will be executed on this market price. Whatever is the current market price, it will be executed. If you are putting on limit, here you can enter the whatever price you would like to buy. Like you can put it like 92. So here you can select day or IOC. Day means in this day, at whatever time this price reached to our limit price, order will be executed. If it is IOC, immediate order or cancel means when you are placing the order, if you can reach to this price, order will be executed, otherwise it will be cancelled. Then you have to press on submit. It will, it cannot take day, submit, then you have to press yes. It will take you to a confirmation page. You can see order type is buy, current market price you can see here, quantity you can see, price you can see, and if you put press on this confirmation, order will be confirmed and executed if it is in market hour. If you want to modify, you can press on this modify. So we can reconfirm everything and we can submit the order. Like the way, if you want to sell some quantity, like in watch list, press on the stock which you would like to sell, press on the sell, it will take to quick sell page. The same way you can put the quantity, and here you can select intraday, margin or delivery, and you can press on quick sell or go to detailed order. Like the way, here you can see both the options are available, buy and sell. We can switch between these two. If you want to, I'm just pressing on the buy, it will be easily converted into buy. If you are pressing on the sell, it will convert into sell. And if you so remaining, all the procedure remains same. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. If you are the first time viewer of my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.